The wait is finally over, or is it? Just when you thought the iPad mini 7 was the ultimate small tablet, Apple decided to flip the script. Rumors are swirling, leaks are flooding the internet, and the tech world is buzzing with one name, the iPad mini M5. We are talking about a device that could potentially redefine what a compact powerhouse looks like. If you've been holding off on a tablet upgrade, or if you're a die-hard mini fan waiting for that one perfect update, you need to hear this. Because what Apple is cooking in their labs right now isn't just a minor refresh. It's a total overhaul of the most beloved small form factor in the world. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The raw, unbridled power of the M5 chip, the same silicon expected to run pro-level MacBooks, packed into a device that fits in the palm of your hand. We are talking about desktop-class performance, a breathtaking OLED display that makes every pixel pop, and AI capabilities that will make your current smartphone look like a calculator. This isn't just a tablet, it's a pocket-sized beast. But there's a catch. With all these pro features coming to the mini line, is Apple about to kill the iPad Air? Or even worse, is the price about to skyrocket to levels we've never seen for a small tablet? Stick around, because today we are diving deep into everything we know about the iPad mini M5. We've gathered the latest leaks from supply chains in Asia, analyzed Apple's recent silicon trajectory, and we have a pretty clear picture of what's coming. From the jelly scrolling fix that everyone's been begging for, to the secret fusion architecture of the M5 chip, we are breaking it all down. If you want to know if you should buy the current model or wait for the M5 monster, you cannot afford to miss a single second of this. Let's start with the elephant in the room. Why the M5? For years, the iPad mini was treated like a secondary device. It got the A-series chips, the ones from the iPhones. It was powerful, sure, but it wasn't pro. But things changed when Apple started putting M-series chips into the iPad Air. Suddenly, the line between consumer and professional blurred. Now, internal reports suggest Apple wants the iPad mini to be the ultimate portable workstation for creators, pilots, and gamers. By skipping the M4 and jumping straight to the M5, Apple is sending a clear message. The mini is no longer the budget option. It is a premium, specialized tool. The M5 chip itself is a marvel of engineering. Built on TSMC's enhanced 3nm process, or potentially even the early 2nm nodes depending on the timing, this chip is designed for efficiency and extreme AI processing. We're hearing about a 10-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, but the real star is the neural engine. Apple is going all in on Apple Intelligence. They want your iPad to predict what you need before you even tap the screen. Whether it's real-time video editing in 8K, rendering 3D models on the go, or running complex AI simulations, the iPad mini M5 is being built to handle it without breaking a sweat. But power is nothing without a display to match. For the first time in the history of the mini, we are looking at the possibility of a tandem OLED display. If you've seen the latest iPad Pros, you know how life-changing this is. Deep blacks, infinite contrast, and a brightness level that makes HDR content look like it's glowing from within. But there's more. The biggest complaint with the iPad mini 6 and 7 was jelly scrolling, that weird lag where one side of the screen moves faster than the other.